everyone. Thank you for all of your wonderful responses to my Doctor Who line video. I'm so glad to have met so many of you at the line. Thank you for making my videos so popular, and I hope you keep on sharing it. This is my mirror. It says London. I love London. This is my T-Fury shirt. But as a little special kind of treat, I'm making you a video before the new Doctor Who premieres on BBC America or Space. And some of you, I hope, are having viewing parties. So I'm going to make some sonic screwdrivers, and I want to share the recipe with everyone. So we're going to go on a trip to make this awesome recipe. Allons-y! It worked! So I'm doing a modification of what I think the sonic screwdriver should be, but because they didn't have creme de cacao, but it was close enough. Let's try it out. And now we're going for ginger ale. Favorite? Get it dry. Hey, little man. Let's let you off. Oh, little back wolf. Hello. Okay. Jelly. Happy Doctor Who Day! Woo! So, check this out.